Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prudy, and if you are a new subscriber, you are welcome. If you are a returner, you are welcome as well. But if you are watching me and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, like what are you waiting for? Please feel free to join the family. Alright, in this video I'm gonna be showing you all how to make passion twist from the KANEKALON braiding hair. So we all know how expensive this passion twist hair is, so you do not have to break the bank to buy this hair. You can make your own passion twist braiding hair right at the comfort of your home. So I have my Xpression braiding hair in the color deep blue. This is how it came. I will just unravel it, cut it into 2 equal parts, and I will feather the hair. I just feather the tips. I'm done with the feathering, so I just applied some hair moisturizer, which I made it myself. I made this hair moisturizer from the shea butter, and I will be leaving a link in the description box down below in case you are interested to see how I made this hair moisturizer. After which I brush out the hair, and this is how it is looking like. So I decided to have a little touch of the black into it. I took a bit of the Colombian one that I have at home. I feathered it as well. These are the straws I will be using, and I also have some bobby pins. I just sectioned the hair into the sizes I wanted my passion twist braid to be. I really don't have a particular size which I want this braid to be. I just eyeball, then I use my feelings, and as you can see, the extension is well secured on the straw. So as I'm rubbing it down the straw, I make sure I try to detangle the hair if at all there is any tangle. I just do that with my fingers. So when I'm at the end of the straw, I start to rub it back upward just to secure it from unraveling. So I trim off any flyaway hair with my scissors. I'm going to be repeating this step in case you didn't get it at first. So this is how everything look like. I just put it into this bowl, put a little bit of conditioner to get rid of any frizziness. You know, we are dealing with the synthetic hair. So I pour hot water, leave it there for a minute, drain the water and let it sit for a while before taking out the straw from the extension. Like I said earlier, you do not have to break the bank to buy this passion twist extension. To me, this is my passion twist. For you, I don't know what you are thinking. So if you have any question about this passion twist tutorial, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section down below, and also like this video, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until I see you again, and thanks for watching. Ciao.